Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Starling Bank's availability outside the UK. Starling Bank is a UK-based digital bank. To open a personal or business account, you must be a resident of the United Kingdom. This means that Starling Bank accounts are not available to people who live outside the UK. However, if you are a Starling Bank customer and you travel abroad, you can use your debit card to make payments and withdraw cash. Starling doesn't charge fees for these transactions, and they use the MasterCard exchange rate. They also offer international transfers, allowing you to send money to other countries from your UK account. In conclusion, while Starling Bank itself is based in and primarily serves the UK, its services can be used internationally by its customers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.